Welcome to Shree's Kitchen. Today I am making very crispy chicken kebab. Let's get started. Take handful of mint, coriander and 3 green chilies. Crush them in a mortar until it gets paste. Once the paste done, you can keep it aside. Now I took half kg of chicken. For that I am squeezing half lemon juice. Now add salt to taste, 3 to 4 spoons of ginger garlic paste, cumin powder, red chilli powder, the paste you made earlier, and 1 full egg, rice flour, all purpose flour, corn flour, red food color. You need to mix it very well. Once the mixing done, you need to keep it for marination around 2 hours. Now heat enough oil in a kadai to deep fry. Now deep fry the marinated chicken until it gets crisp and done. Now the yummy crispy chicken kebab is ready to serve. If you like my video, please share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.